report a significant milestone in our ongoing war against the illicit trafficking and distribution of narcotics across our country. We extend our warm greetings and heartfelt appreciation to community members, religious leaders, motorcyclists, traditional leaders, schools, government institutions, civil society organizations, and the media for their courage, cooperation, and patriotism. The collective effort strengthening our resolve to remain steadfast in the fight against drugs trafficking and abuse in Liberia. Since our appointment to lead the LDEA and the direct the national fight against illicit drugs, we are proud to report that the agency is making significant progress. Thanks to the support from the national government, the commitment of our partners, and the overwhelming dedication of our officers. Their hard work closely demonstrates that the war against drugs can be won if all Liberians and residents join hands to eliminate this menace from our society. Between September and October 2025, the LDEA forwarded to court 178 drug traffickers and dealers. These suspects were arrested across the 15 political subdivisions of Liberia. Of this number, 55 are females and 123 males. 113 Liberians, 17 Guineans, 1 Nigerian, 6 Ivorian, and 3 Sierra Leoneans. During these operations, 6 vehicles, including 1 petroleum tanker, and 10 motorbikes were impounded, and 2 houses remain in custody of the LDEA, pending the adjudication of their respective cases. The age of suspects involved in the drug crimes range from 18 to 70 years. After careful analysis of the confiscated drugs, we can report that marijuana and kush remain the most consumed drugs in Mossorado County. Tramadol, marijuana, and kush are also among the most used drugs in leeward counties. Further, our intelligence and operational report indicate that Boucher Island and the city of Pinsville are the major drug hotspots in Mossorado County. At the same time, Grand Cayman County and Sano County account for higher seizures in the leeward region. The estimated street values of drugs confiscated during the period amount to 40,671,401 Liberian dollar, are equivalent to 218,790.85 US dollar. Cocaine, 395 grams of cocaine. Heroin, 147.6 grams. Kush, 5,124 grams. Marijuana, 4,127 kilograms. And tramadol, 111,378 pills. We invite the media, civil society organizations, and our partners to join us tomorrow, November 11, 2025, at the Disco Hill, Margibi County, for the branding exercise. We extend our hearty appreciation to the government of Liberia for providing huge logistical support to the LDEA. This support has been deployed nationwide and are significantly enhancing the operational effectiveness of the LDEA. While we continue to battle traffickers and distributors. We are equally focused on preventive measures to protect our young people, the most direct victims of drugs abuse. Through our preventions and community outreach services, the LDEA has established 14 peer educator crossing 15 schools in Mosorado County and formed 10 community action committees in 10 communities in Mosorado County. On September 1, 2025, we also launched a compulsory drug testing program for LDEA officers. In continuation of our drive to clean the LDEA, I am pleased to announce the result of drug tests conducted in the following counties: Bond County, 36 officers; Nima County, 56 officers; Grand Bassa County, 50 officers; Mosorado County, 170 officers; Margibi County, 55 officers, bringing the total number of 406 officers, out of which 10 tested positive. Bond County, Agent Sunday B. Kwiato; Margibi County, Agent Kevin Walker and Agent David Damon; Nima County, Agent Matthew Vesey; Mosorado County, Agent Marama Keita, Agent Robertson Boakai, Agent Elwin Flomo, and Agent Arthur Benson have been suspended time indefinitely and turned over to the LDEA professional standards. The exercise aims to set and maintain a professional and accountable standards within the LDEA for those who fight drugs. This must also be with clean hands. Following our appointment by the President of the Republic of Liberia, we have initiated key administrative reforms to align the LDEA with other law enforcement agencies. These include reviewing the agency's policies and establishing proper administrative protocols and procedures, rotating county commanders who have overstayed in their respective assignments, and rebuilding public trust through stronger community engagement. Let it be clear, the new LDEA will not tolerate unprofessional conduct for any officer or employee. This is only the beginning. We are fully committed to cleaning the agency of all elements that compromise our credibility and mission. Together, we can and we will defeat the issue of drugs and illicit substance in Liberia. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And at this point, we will be taking questions from across the floor from our colleagues from various media institutions here this afternoon. What you have to do is burn up your hands, and then you'll be recognized. Yep.
What is on your plate for the establishment of the new of the LDEA headquarters? A very report successors of yours, able to now one story about what is on your plate. Two,
process that we all need to form part of. This is now we alone doing it. We are inviting the media institutions, the sports organizations, and well-meaning Liberians to join us tomorrow in the very exercise of the drugs. We just confiscated in 2 months, and we are reported cleanly to the Liberian people. Yeah. And the issue of relocating the LDEA headquarters is something that is on the interim leadership plate. My deputy and his staff have been very instrumental in looking for environment that will host the LDEA. As you are aware, the current location of the LDEA cannot host the personnel and the operational capacity of the LDEA. So it's something we're working on to achieve in the next budget year. Yeah, I show you that.
That's person.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Weah from 8FM. You talk about officers who took a test. What happened to other counties? You listed 3 counties. What happened to the other counties officers? And lastly, you talk about routine. How long was the police commander spent in the counties where they are standing? Before you come in directly to that, are there penalties for the officer you talked about?
But we said they are suspended time indefinite when in law enforcement when they suspend is a penalty as well. So they are suspended time indefinite then what the professional standards. And so that's it. The officer tested positive, breaking the numbers. The last time we give information to the media, 6 officers, and this is 10. So the total number now is 16 officers who have been suspended time indefinitely. That will make our commitment to the Liberian people that want to clean the house before we clean upside.
Sir. Yeah, go ahead.
Well, my name is
Yes.
Hey.
What question?
So I was talking about the remaining counties.
Okay, so very good. The remaining counties, my deputy will be completed before the end of this month. And so, because we have a little challenge with the testing of company with their own logistics, so we all have been resolved now. So before the end of this month, the remaining counties will be completed.
Well, my name is Augustine Otivius and I work for Farm FM. Is the street value for the total drugs we are custody?
So it should be somewhere around here. Okay, so it's 40 million 671 401 Liberian dollar, equivalent to 218,790.85 US dollar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that question.
I'm personally really worrying and vote for that matters. Okay, my concern has to do with those people that were arrested with the drugs on them. We spoke about 2 horses, and then what about the Calamity? What becomes of Calamity truck that were arrested by Abuja Chino?
I said in my statement, the 6 vehicle, including the petroleum tanker, is still impounded, and the case is in court.
Yes.
Last question. Yeah.
Thank you. My name is Delton Dore. Actually, I want to say thanks for the work you do here at the LDEA. But I'm more concerned about working with the judiciary system. You talk about the case is still ongoing in court. That shows that there is a slow pace at which cases of drugs is being investigated. What is your relationship? What is your workings with the court, the judiciary system that is to prosecute those just laws?
We have a very good relationship with the court system, the magistrates, and the judiciary as a whole. We met with the Chief Justice last week, and we have established a very expeditious process in doing those cases. We will follow the judicial process keenly, and we ensure that all those arrested are prosecuted. Our prosecuting arm, the Ministry of Justice, have assigned additional lawyers to the LDEA to enhance the capacity of the current prosecuting team here at LDEA. So we are assure the public that before the end of the month, investigation is now it's a process. We don't want to leave any stone untouched. So we got to make sure that we ensure that we test all of the elements involved into investigation. So it's ongoing. It's a process, and we're asking the public and the media to be patient, to bear with us. But what we can guarantee is we'll come back to the public and give you feedback.
Yeah, I'm Domingos, right, for the legal advisory. I'm much more concerned about passing officers. What is on the plate for the question of the increment of salary of the officers as means of giving them more strength?
I think you see the draft budget is a known public document now that was sent to the legislatures. Could be a research. We have The government, like I said, huge support from the government.